Imagine waking up in 2026, checking your phone, and seeing money coming into your account while you sleep. No office, no boss, no expensive degree. Right now, thousands of beginners are building online businesses using AI, social media, and digital skills. But here's the truth. Not every online business works anymore. Some are dying, while others are creating millionaires. So in this video, I'll show you the best online businesses for beginners in 2026. Businesses you can start with low money, low risk, and huge future potential. And trust me, number one might completely change your future. Welcome back to DL Wealth AI, where we talk about money, business, AI, and financial freedom. If you want to build wealth and escape the 9-to-5 lifestyle, subscribe now and let's get started. 5. AI Content Creation Agency. First on the list is an AI content creation agency. Businesses need content every single day. YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram posts, ads, and thumbnails. But most business owners don't know how to create content. That's where you come in. Using AI tools like Canva, OpenAI, and in video, you can create content faster than ever. You don't even need to show your face. You can charge clients monthly and build a real online income stream. Best part, you can start with just a phone or laptop. 4. Print-on-demand business. Next is print-on-demand. This business lets you sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and posters online without keeping inventory. When someone buys your product, the supplier prints and ships it automatically. You only focus on designs and marketing. In 2026, AI makes this even easier because you can create amazing designs in minutes. Platforms like Shopify and Printful help beginners start quickly. This is perfect if you're creative and want passive income. 3. YouTube Automation Channel. Number 3 is YouTube automation, and honestly, this is one of the biggest opportunities right now. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive cameras. You can create videos using AI voiceovers, stock videos, editing apps, and scripts. Channels about finance, motivation, AI tools, facts, luxury, and business are exploding right now. Once your channel grows, you can make money from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. And the craziest part, one viral video can change everything. 2. Selling digital products. Number 2 is selling digital products. Digital products are things people can download online, like ebooks, templates, online courses, Notion planners, and presets. This business is powerful because you create the product once, but sell it forever. No shipping, no inventory, no employees. For example, you can sell finance templates, study notes, AI prompts, or social media templates. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy for beginners. This is one of the best passive income businesses in 2026. 1. Personal brand plus AI business. Now, the number 1 online business for beginners in 2026 is building a personal brand with AI. Why? Because people trust people more than companies. If you build an audience around money, fitness, business, motivation, AI, or self-improvement, you can make money in multiple ways. YouTube income, affiliate marketing, selling products, sponsorships, coaching memberships, and AI now helps you create content much faster. The people who build audiences in 2026 could become the millionaires of the next decade. Attention is the new currency, and social media is the new real estate. So those were the best online businesses for beginners in 2026. If I had to start from zero today, I would focus on AI plus personal branding immediately. Now I want to ask you, which online business would you start first? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to DL Wealth AI for more videos about wealth, AI, and online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.